This is the answer key of UTPG history. The minting of coins as a prerogative of the state began in India with the. There are optional Kusans, Sungas, Mauryas, and Bactrian Greeks. In this, answer number 4, Bactrian Greeks is correct. In second question, during the Mughal period, the tribute levied on forest people often took supply of. Here, correct answer is elephants. In answer third, who is the author of the book titled Other Side of the Silence, Voices from the Partition of India? Correct answer is Urvasi Butalia. 4-1 is which ancient Indian university was the most renowned learning center of Buddhism and compared with the modern Oxford or Harvard? Answer is Nalanda University. Consider the following statement and identify the correct ones. In this question, answer number 2 is correct. You can see. And 6, consider the following terms and their meaning and the identity, the correct ones. In this question, answer number 2, Pahi, temporary cultivator, is correct. Here B and C is correct. B means Pahi, temporary cultivator, and C is Zawabiyat, secular laws. Okay. Answer 7, which type of Gupta coins the king is represented displayed for the first time in an Indian waistcoat, coat and turban? Third, on the tiger slayer type. Which painter was conferred the title of Nadir ul Asr by Jahangir? That is Ustad Mansoor. Starchy commission was related to famine. Means who popularized the view that the revolt of 1857 is a conflict between civilization and barbarism? That is T.R. Holmes. Under 11 number, under whom the Maratha state reached its territorial zenith extending from Cuttack to Attock. Second one, that is Balaji Bajirao. Question number 12, despite Gandhi's protest, in which year Subhash Chandra Bose was elected president of the Congress again? Third, that is 1939. Which Mughal emperor was concerned about tobacco's addiction that he banned it? Second number, Jahangir. The names of the Chapekar brothers who attacked Mr. Ran in Pune 1897 were Damodar and Balkrishna. 15. Nalera Divya Prabandham, described as a Tamil Veda, is one of the major anthologies of composition by Alvaraz. Here, question number 16. Third one is correct. You can match. 17. Question number 3 is correct. 18. Question number 1 is correct. And 19. Question number 3 is correct. 20. Question number 3 is correct. You can match from your answer key. Maybe the sequence is changed, but answer are correct here. Question number 21, first is correct. Then question number 22, second is correct. Second 2. Zarib is the system where the land measurement and survey has taken place. And then Chachar, that is the land out of cultivation for 3 or 4 years. Dhag, that is system of branding of horses and animals. Hundi, that is the bill of exchange. Who said about the drainage system of Harappan City that is certainly the most ancient system as yet discovered? It is said by Ernest Mackay. Muhammad bin Qasim put his fort in the year 1712. Here we have to arrange in the chronological order. So B, A, C, D is the correct chronological order. You can see. 26. The site of Jukar is situated in which province of the Pakistan? That is Sindh. In ancient and early medieval period, a digest of Hindu laws and inheritance who became extremely influential in Bengal was known as second. That is Dayabaga. Here answer number 2 is correct in 28. 29. Under which king Mewar attained the greatest height of the Purana Kumbha? Sahab's Gari inscription of Ashoka is written in his script. That is in Kharoshthi. Who wrote The Inherent Identity of India 1200 to 1991? It is written by Sumit Guha. In 32, answer number second is correct. You can match. In 33, answer number second is correct. In 34, answer number 3 is correct. You can match the sequence, chronological order. In which year the Dutch established factories in Nizamapattan? That is from 1605 to 1606. In which king is mentioned in the Bari Court inscription of Swat Valley? That is Jaipal Dev. You can match. Mirabai's husband Yuvraj Bhojraj was the son of Rana Sanga. Which one of the following national leaders organized the Chittagong Armory raid? That is Surya Sen. Then, when you match the list, you find second option is correct. When you match the list in 40 question, you find third option is correct. Ramaz Razam Razmanama is painted translation of Razmanama Mahabharat. In this, answer number first is correct. In 43, Mitra Mela started in Nasik. Okay. Which of the following was not patron of Kangra School of Painting? That is third, Roop Chand. Who is known as the liberator of the Indian press? Fourth one, Charles Metcalfe. Patliputra was established in which era? That is in 6th century BC. 47, match list first and list second. Here option number second is correct. Who wrote the book Historica Herodotus? Very easy question. Arrange the following supreme chronological order of their death. Answer number second is correct. Out of the important aspect of Buddha's teaching, Patich Sampada refers to the law of dependent origination. Which of the following Chola conquered Maldives? Second one, that is Raja Raj. And the following chronological order, the earliest Sanskrit inscription. Here chronological order, first option is correct. Terracotta models of the plough has been found at which of the following Harappan site? That is Banawali. Who authored Muntakhab ul Wab Kafi Khan? The first roundtable in London was held in 12 to 19 November 1930. Consider the following. Here option number first is correct. Rent-free land was called Saryughal. And third, A option, estimation of land was called Kankuk. Here in the chronological order, first option is correct. Consider the following as to identify the correct matches. Match the following. So here is the option number first is correct. A, B, C, D. Means B and D is correct and other are wrong. Question number 60. Option number D is correct. Where C, A, B, D is the correct answer in chronological order. The English detached the Maratha Nizam from the side of Hyder. Undaunted Hyder faced the British but suffered defeat in 1781, the Battle of Port Novo. Here, match the following and third option is correct. You can match by your answer key. In the answer number first is correct. 64, answer number third is correct. 65, answer number 4 is correct. 66, answer number third is correct. 67, answer number first is correct. 68, answer number second is correct. 69, answer number first is correct. 60, 70, answer number second is correct. 71, answer number second is correct. 72, answer number third is correct. 73, answer number first is correct. 74, answer number 4 is correct. 75, answer number third is correct. So it is your answer key. Please match it. Maybe some question are wrong, but I hope all questions are correct and you will get your answer key here. So try to watch it. Thank you very much.